Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing good today. So, today's video, we're gonna learn how to check your iPhone whether it's fake or real in 2026. So, these tricks is basically it's very useful when you are buying a new iPhone or a second-hand used phone from other shops, not an official store from the Apple. So these tricks are the latest tricks you can check on your iPhone whether it's fake or real. Okay, let's dive into trick number one. First of all, open your browser, for example Safari, then go to search bar, check for Apple serial number lookup search. Okay, once you check, you need to get check here Apple check coverage from the official store or official website from the Apple, as you can see. So once you click on that, you have to get back to this you will get to this official website from the Apple. So once you need to enter a serial number of your device. For finding serial number, you have to get back and head to setting. When you head to setting, you have to get to the general. Once you tap on general, just go to about. You will find the serial number right here. As you can see, this is the serial number for this phone. Just long press it and just copy from there and just go back to your official Apple website. Just paste it. Once you paste it, just click the submit button and it will show your iPhone model with the serial number and the purchase date. Wait, if you have any coverage for paid for the prepaid and services or any warranty coverage, it will show on down. So this is basically a safe and genuine trick. In latest 2026, you can check with your serial number. It will show your iPhone model with the purchase date, and if your iPhone contains any coverage, it will show right here. Basically, this is very useful trick. If you are buying a second-hand phone, you should try with this trick. Second trick is when you come back from the home screen, when you long press the power button, it will show the Siri. So once the Siri pop up, that's the time you know the Apple is genuine. This product is genuine, because in a fake Apple you cannot find a Siri, whether it may be something else with Gemini or something else. If you find long pressing and if you find the Siri, let's assume that as a genuine Apple product. So simply third trick is you have to head to App Store. When you head to App Store, it will show you the genuine apps. As you can see, this is a genuine apps you can find through the App Store. When it comes to a fake iPhone, it will not show the App Store apps. Rather, it will show any other Play Store similar to the App Store. But only Apple products are designed to have an access for the Apple Store. So this is a third trick, and last but not least, the trick last but not least, once you check on the home screen, the apps are showing the genuine App Store apps. For example, when you check on the home screen, it will shows you a maps, find my locations, contacts, and here, as you can see, phones. These are the genuine apps of your original iPhone brand. So let's assume that if your Apple product have similar apps with similar designs, which is designed only for the Apple product, so if it's there, so let's assume that your Apple product is genuine product. So today's video is that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this. Whenever you buy a phone, please double check these tricks. Share with your friends whoever want to buy a second-hand or reused or refurbished iPhone, to make sure they're not buying a duplicate or unspecified, or make sure they're buying a genuine Apple product. Thanks for watching. Have a nice, wonderful day.